What's up, guys? I'm here again with another live trading video from the Dollar Monster Live Discord chat, which you can find at the Dollar Monster website in the description below. That's where I do all my live trading at, so you guys can follow along with me and trade as I trade. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded, and leave a comment so that YouTube knows you're interested in this video. Okay, so the stock we're trading today is Sea Limited. We found this by going to the earnings calendar at the NASDAQ and reported a really great earnings report. So that's the one we're going to be trading. Started. Okay, so as you can see from this pre-market chart, this big dip right here, we're still up pretty high at 10.2% already, and the market hasn't even opened yet. So we're about a minute and a half from the market open. Like I said, if you look at this pre-market chart, you can see where it's getting some momentum going here. Of course, at this last bit right here, we had a lot of people that bought in at the pre-market, and now they've started selling off. So so the way we found this is we came to the earnings calendar at the NASDAQ. We clicked on today's date, Monday, March the 4th. And the only one that's really any good here is the Sea Limited at $26 billion in market cap. So now we're going to go to Google. We did our little Google search, and as you can see in the pre-market down here, it's at 10%. Which is really good. And if you look down here, you can see all the news, which is all good news. How good it beat its earnings report, the stock is surging, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so the market is just about to open. We're not going to go in right away. We're going to wait and see what the stock wants to do. Let it tell us what it wants to do and where it wants to go. So here we go. Market's just opened. There it goes. It's already going up. And we got a little pullback coming back down here. There we go. There it goes. Got another little bit of a pullback. Lots of volatility, lots of volume. Okay, now we broke the first dip. If we can get up here to where this top is right here, and there it goes. So we're going to buy 100 shares to start with. Just go in a little at a time. Don't, put everything all at one time. You need to have some room to where if it does go down, you can leverage yourself in. I'm going to buy another 100 shares from this pullback. As you can see, the stock's starting to go down some. Open, here it goes. Now if it'll break this wick, we'll be in the money. And there it goes. Good deal. Good deal. I like it when good things happen. Everybody likes it when good things happen. So I'm going to buy another 100 shares. Okay, it's pulling back, so we're going to see what happens. Okay, pulling back a little bit more. We're just gonna give it a little room to breathe. And there we go. Alright, we've got 300 shares in there now. Why ain't this updating? There it goes, 300 shares. Alright. Right now we're in the hole, $82, $100. Gonna let it come down a little bit. We're gonna go in with 1,000 shares. That'll lower our price per share at 57.38. A lot lower. There we are at 56.92. Now we're at 443, 144, 378. And here we go. 625. Take it. And we're out. Simple as that. Just all we did was go to the NASDAQ. As you can see here, $638 in the bank. Like I said, all we did was go to the earnings calendar at the NASDAQ. We found the stock. We went to Google, did our research on it. Had a really great earnings report. So we pulled the trigger. I think it was no more than 5 minutes, I think, if that, that we were in this trade. And just as quick as that, $638 into the pot. Like I said before, it's not, it's not as complicated as it might seem. Really all you've got to do is find the stock, research it, decide if it's the one to buy, and then watch for the patterns. The patterns, as I've told you guys 1,000 times before, the patterns are the key to making money in trading. If you can't spot the patterns that are developing, then you're not going to make money. It's just how it is. But you can learn these patterns, and I have a lot of them at the Dollar Monster website. You sign up, you become a member, and you get access to the courses I have there for day trading and swing trading. You get access to all the patterns. You get access to all the crucial information that you need to be able to successfully trade in the stock market, whether you're day trading or swing trading. I'm actually in the process of working on a video to explain swing trading. But I've had people ask before, why don't I do live trading videos of me doing swing trading? And, swing trading is where, like, you buy a stock and then you just hold it for a couple days, a couple weeks, a couple months, whatever. So it's not like day trading like what we just did, where it's just 5 minutes, you're in, you're out, and it's over with. So it's kind of impossible to do a live trading video of a swing trade, because, like, for example, this, if I wanted to swing trade this C Limited, I would have just bought it, and then that would have been it. I would have closed the screen out, come back in a couple days, see how it's doing, come back in a couple weeks, see how it's doing, whatever. And once I get to a certain return on investment that I'm looking for, or ROI, then I'll sell it and move on to the next stock to swing trade. So, because of that, it's not real easy to record swing trading. It's more or less, it just would take, it just take too much time to try to piece together little clips for days or weeks or months to congregate into a whole video. It's basically impossible to do. But like I said, swing trading is real easy. It's literally just, day trading is like what we just did. You buy stock, you hold it till it goes up some, and then you take your quick percentages and you get in, you get out. And then you're done with the stock, you don't fool with it no more. Whereas in swing trading, it's literally just buying and then holding for an extended period of time. So if I wanted to swing trade this, the dips and stuff, the drops and whatnot really wouldn't matter to me, because I'm not trying to get in, get out. The market, there's the market static. The stock's going to go up, it's going to go down a little bit, it's going to go up. But over the stock market's lifetime, it pretty much always goes up. You might, like I said, in order to get your return, you might have to hold it for a couple days or a couple weeks or a couple months. Some people like to blend this whole earnings report strategy that I do with a swing trading investing strategy. So you'll look up the earnings report. Let's just say for argument's sake, like Walmart. You look up Walmart, it has a great earnings report, so you buy it. And then after a couple weeks go by, a couple months go by, the next earning report comes out and it's good. Well, by that time the stock has went up, 4, 5, 6% in that time, and you can sell it, and there's that 6% return on investment that's right there in your pocket. But like I said, this is a lot easier when it comes to day trading, a lot easier to record and show you how to trade stocks with day trading. Swing trading is really the same thing, except it's over a much longer period of time. Instead of just 5 to 10 minutes, it might be 5 weeks to 10 weeks. It all depends on how fast the stock rises or where your get out spot is. You might swing trade a stock and say, I only want to get 6 or 7% out of this. So you'll buy the stock, you'll hold it until it gets to that 6 or 7% threshold that you have set, and then you sell it and move on to the next stock to swing trade. But that'll do it for this video on day trading. Like I said, little recap here. We went to the earnings calendar. We found Sea Limited. We did our research and found that it had beat its earnings report, just smashed it right out the ceiling. And that is our confirmation that we're going to buy this stock to trade. And that's exactly what we did. 5 minutes in, we sold everything, liquidated everything, and cashed out with $638 in the bank. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, take it easy.